Hi, Palms. Today we're going to be solving the very first question we were given as a take home in our previous lesson on the solution of quadratic equations using the formula method. In our previous lesson, we worked extensively on how we could deploy or use the formula method to solve, the quadratic equations. And here was the very first question. So we're asked to solve for x in 19x minus 14 plus 3x squared equals to 0. Now, don't forget, if you don't understand or you don't know the very quadratic formula, there's no way you'll be able to solve, those very questions using the formula method. So here's the formula. Don't forget, we derived the formula in one of our lessons. S is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Don't forget, b squared minus 4ac is called discriminant over 2a. So the first thing we have to do is we have to look for a way to rearrange this very question. As you can see, this is s to the power 2, this is s to the power 1, this is s to the power 0. This is for sure a quadratic equation because we have the presence of equals to, but it's not well arranged. You should have the highest power first, and then from 2 to 1, 1 to 0. So we're going to look for a way to rearrange this. We're going to do that right away. This 3x squared, this plus 19x minus 14, x to the power 0 equals to 0. So let's get our coefficients for each of the unknowns. A is 3, B is 19 plus 19, C is minus 14. So we have everything well set out. So the next thing we have to do is to take all this and put them right in here. That's in our formula. So we have x is minus, what is b? B is 19 plus or minus, then square root of b squared, that's 19 raised to the power 2 minus 4. A is 3, C is minus 14 over 2a, A is 3. So what do we have? X is minus 19 plus or minus 19 raised to the power 2. That'll give us 9 times 9, 81, 171. So here 9, here 1. That's 361. Then minus 4 out here. 3 times this will give us minus 42. Minus 42. All over 2 times 3 is 6. So what do we have? The next, we're going to carry on. X is minus 19 plus or minus 361. Minus and minus will give us plus. Don't forget this is 42. That is plus 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 4, 16. 168 over 6. So we're going to bring it up here. We're very close to getting the values of x. So take this off like this. So x is equals to minus 19 here, plus or minus. So 361 plus 68, 361 plus 68 will give us this 9, this 12, 429. Plus 168, I beg your pardon, plus 168, that'll give us 529. 529 over 6. So minus 19 plus or minus. So what's the square root of 529? That should be 23. This is 0.5. This is 2, 9. 4 is a perfect square before 5. 2 times 2, 4. Remember this method? We worked on it in one of our previous lessons. 2 plus 2 is 4, 1. So here 3, 3, 1, 29. So the square root of 529 is 23. 23 over 6. So we're very close to getting the values of x. So what do we have next? This minus 19 plus 23 over 6, or minus 19 minus 23 over 6. So we're very close. So what are the values of x? What are the values of x? X will be minus 19 plus 23 will give us what? What are we going to get? Minus 19 plus 23 will give us plus 4 over 6, or minus 19 minus 23 will give us minus 42 over 6. So 2 here 2, 2 here 3, 6 here 1, 6 here 7. So the values of x are 2 over 3 or minus 7. So these are the values of x. So this is how to solve the very first take home. So if you got this right, it means you understood what we took in our previous lesson on how to solve quadratic equation using the formula method. So I'll allow you to stay put for the solution of the next take home.